Hey guys, it's Mark. In today's piece, we're going to be talking about the art of asking questions. And there's a few different types of questions that we can ask, but let's just start with a mindset first. Okay, and that would be that selling is not telling. It's asking great questions. All right, and even more so to understand the different types of questions that we can ask can take this to the next level so that we can really move a sales conversation forward towards either that appointment or signature that we're after. Okay, so let's start with open-ended questions. All right, these are the types of questions that create conversation. So write these down: who, what, where, when, why, and how. Okay, so who else would need to see this home before you could make a decision? Okay, what are some of the important features that you'd need in a home before you'd need to buy it? Where would you like to go next? All right, when did you plan on interviewing the right agent for the job of selling your home? Okay, why is this move important for you? How much over the asking price did you want to offer the seller? All right, look at how we can draw a creative response from the prospect that gets us a little more insight as to what's going on in their mind versus what's next here, a closed-ended question, which would draw a very simple yes or no response. So let's take a look at that, because there's some times where we really need more of a direct yes or no answer to a question for the simple reason of getting to the point faster, right? Do we need to be continuing to speak with this person, or is it not the right time for them? Okay, are you still interested in buying or selling a home? Wouldn't that be just a nice answer to know yes or no to? Right? There's some times where that makes more sense for the purposes of efficiency and being direct and to the point. So rather than that open-ended option that causes more of a conversation, the close-ended can be used sometimes to just get to the point and determine where we need to go next. Most of the time it's probably going to be the former, that open-ended. There's a third option here, and that would be to use more of a multiple choice format so that we can be in control. It's kind of a hybrid if you look at it. We're giving them some choices. We're giving them a little bit of flexibility on their answer, but we're not leaving it completely wide open and up for interpretation. So we might do like an ABC, or maybe there's 4 choices in there, right? So just as an example, would you like to meet today or tomorrow at 4 p.m.? Okay. Have you been pre-qualified by a lender yet? Or would you like for us to refer ours to you? Right? Depending on the situation, you might go with this multiple choice option because it still gives you the ability to have more of a conversational type conversation, but at the same time not be at risk for an answer that's going to take the conversation in the wrong direction. Okay, so let's consider these 3 types: your open-ended, your close-ended, and your multiple choice type questions to have higher quality sales conversations that are more efficient and get the prospect headed towards the bottom line of that signature or appointment. And let's have some fun with it, guys. Ask more questions. Till next time.